Once again, we're looking at a 30, 60, 90 triangle, so we're going to use its rules. And notice I have my notes over here about its sides, and on this bottom side of the triangle, from the right angle to the 60-degree angle, notice that section, it is just going to be X. And then if I look at this other one over here, from the right angle to the 30-degree angle, that is going to be X times the square root of 3. And then if I consider my hypotenuse, it's going to be 2 times the value of X, which is the shortest leg, our value of the shortest leg. Now, with all this highlighted, we're now going to go ahead and look at our problem. And notice we're given this bottom leg from the right angle to the 60-degree mark. So I'm just going to highlight it to line up what side it is. So this one right here is basically my X. And I'm going to use that now to find the A value and to find the hypotenuse, which is our C value. I think I'm going to start out by doing A first. And so notice for A, I'm going to use X times the square root of 3. So I'm going to move this over just a little bit so we can do the work down here. And so I'm going to put X times the square root of 3. And now we're going to replace it with what we know. We know that X is equal to the square root of 3. That was given to us. The shortest side of the triangle was square root of 3. So I'm going to replace the X with a square root of 3. Put it in parentheses. And then I'm going to bring down our original square root of 3. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply this out now. And remember, there's a rule that says any radical multiplied to itself is the radicand. So square root of 3 times square root of 3 is just equal to 3. So this one was really simple to get A. So our A value is equal to 3. All we got left to find is the hypotenuse now, this C value. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull this back down just a little bit, and we're going to find C. Now C, we just have to take the value of X, right? This square root of 3 that was given to us, and multiply it by 2. So for C, we're going to do 2 times X. So we can rewrite this as 2 times the value of X, which is the square root of 3. And that simply becomes 2 square root of 3. And I'll box it, and that's what C is equal to. So this is probably one of the easier ones that we've done.